Good morning, students. My name is Rashmi Verma, and in the previous class we are learning about the numbers and works, where we have deals with what is meant by digits, what is meant by number. We have deals with the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Now our new topic is 6-digit number. But before 6-digit number, first thing we'll see that suppose here it is number. How many places is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means it's a 5-digit number. Okay, you can write any number, no problem. But we always, whenever we are starting to reading any number, we'll start from the right hand side. So the first place which is occupier will called as a unit. The second place is occupier is called tens. The third place will occupy will called as a 100. The fourth place which occupies is called as a 1000. The fifth place will called as a 10,000. Clear? Now, if I will write here 3, will call as only 3 because 3 is in unit place. Now, if I will write 1, so it will become, this 1 and 3 will become 13. Clear? If I will add here 1 again, how will read? 113. 113. Now if I will add here 1, it will become 1000. Clear? 1000, 113. Now if I will write here 1, it will become 10,000 not. Will not read this 10,000. It will read 11,000 because here 1,000 now, so we'll combine these. So it will become 11,000. 11,113. This way we will going to be read the numbers. Clear? But if I will ask what is after 1000? After 1000 will read as a lakh. You have heard about this. Yes or no? Yes. Now in this class we are going to learn about lakhs. What is meant by lakhs? Okay. For that, open the page number 4 in your textbook. First of all, if I will ask you, if I want to buy a car, what will be the cost? Is that 1000? Is that 100? No. It will reach up to lakhs. Now what is meant by lakhs? We are going to read that. Introduction, here some dialects are given here. First of all, we'll read what they want to say, then we'll see. Introduction. 6 digit number. Here, teacher, how much do you think is the price of four-wheeler? As I ask you, Ajay, maybe about 6 or 7 lakh rupees. That means Ajay know about the lakhs. Now teacher, do you know exactly how much 1 lakh is? Teacher is asking to Ajay, do you know how much 1 lakh is? Ajay, it's a lot, isn't it? More than even 10,000. I told you, after 10,000 what will become? Lakh. That means lakh is more. Right. Teacher, yes, needed. Let's find out how much. What is 999 plus 1? We have learned this in the previous class, that when we add 999 with 1, you will get 1000, and that 1000 is in 4-digit number, that will come under 1000. Okay. Ajay, 1000. Teacher, do you learn to write 99000? Now, if we add 1000 to that, you will get 100,000. That's what will called as a lakh. That means how many digits it will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5-digit number, if you will add 1000, it will convert as a 6-digit number. That means 6-digit number is in lakh. Vijay, 9999. That means 9999 plus 1, it will become 10,000. We had made the 10,000 place for it. Can we make a place for 1 lakh too in the same way? Yes, as we have learned in the previous class, that when we add 99 with 1, will get with 2 digit with 1, you will get 3 digit. When we add 3 digit with 1, you will get 4 digit. When we add 4 digit with 1, you will get 5th digit. Yes. Now, if with 5th digit, if we will add 1, that will become 6th digit. Yes, of course. Carry out the addition of 99,999 plus 1 and see what you get. 99,900 plus 1. Here we keep carrying over till we have to make the place for the lakh on the left of the 10,000 place, and we write the last carry over on that place. Means we have to keep adding and we have to keep carry over part. So 9 plus 1, 10. Here 0 plus 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. Again here 0 plus 1 here carry. 9 plus 1, 0. Like that it will become 1 lakh. So in 1 lakh, how many 0 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means, and 6 digit. In 1 lakh we have 6 digit, but 0, 50 and 6 digit. Clear? Vijay. Kishakaka. Vijay Kishakaka brought a second-handed car for 2.5 lakh rupees. Ajay, how much is the 2.5 lakh? Teacher, 1 lakh is 100,000. Clear? 1 lakh means 100,000. If you see 1 lakh, how to write 1 lakh? 1,0,0,0. I told you how many zero we have. Now, if you will read that, 1 then 100,000. Okay. So if how many? Here it is 1,000. Here 100. So it will become 100,000. Clear? It will become 1 lakh means 100,000. Clear? 1 lakh equal to 100,000. How much 2 lakhs we have learned? 1 lakh is 100,000. So half of lakh is 50,000. Okay. So what is half of 10? Half of 10 means 5. So here 100 half means what? 50. Here 100,000 it is, so it will become 50,000. Half of 1 lakh is 50,000. Because half of 100 is 50. Vijay. That means 2.5 lakh means what? It will become 2 lakh and half of half lakh rupees. That means become 2 lakh and half lakh means half of lakh is 50,000. We have learned half of this is lakh and this is half of lakh. That means it will become 50,000. That means 2 lakh and 50,000. Clear? Teacher, now write this in number. Now, first of all, what we have to write this into number. But how to write this into number? First of all, what we'll do? First of all, we'll write 2 lakh and 50,000. Now 2 lakh in figure we have numbers we have to write. How to write? This will become 2 lakh means 2 in lakh. How many zeros are there? We have learned. In lakh we have 5 zeros, 6 digit and 5 zero. And wherever it is and, that means you have to add them. So add 50,000. If you will add these two, you will get if you will add, then you will become listen, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Clear? So it will become, this will be unit place, this will be tens place, this will be 100 place, this will be 1000 place, this will be 10,000 place, this will be lakh. This will be lakh. So how to read? I told you 2 lakh 50. Now both is in thousand. So we'll read these both the number in one only time. So it will become 2 lakh 50 means 50,000. 50,000, and here nothing is there, that means it will become 50,000. Clear? See, 2 lakh 50,000. Now in the next video we'll see how to read the 6-digit number. Clear? Thank you.